The point here with our side flashing tape is to bridge between the frame of our window out and onto our WRB. We're going to make sure that we get past that joint where the flange is connected to the frame and all the way onto the frame. Now, where the tape protrudes beyond the bottom of the window, I'm going to make a simple cut to get this bottom to lay flat. Now that our sides are flashed, we'll treat the head in the same way. Now that we have this head flashing in place, this would be the time if we were going to install a drip cap. We would do that now and it would get flashed underneath this as well. We're not for the purposes of this mock-up, so we're able to fold this flange down and detail the end. This piece of tape simply ensures that this flap is going to adhere down and it'll be out of the way. It'll allow everything to shingle drain over top of our window. Now that our exterior water management is done, let's move inside for air and thermal management.